Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley Jaden. For those who are new, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be mentioning 5 products, you guys, that I am still currently using in this new healthy relaxed hair journey. All of the products that I'm going to mention are products that I bought towards the end of my natural hair journey. So they were either halfway full or they were full and I didn't use them. So I really didn't want to waste the products. I was like, you know what, let me try them out. Let me see how they work for my chemically altered hair. But I actually realized a lot of these products are awesome with helping me out with dryness, helping me keep my hair moisturized, help strengthening my hair, and also help clarify my hair. All of the products that I'm going to be mentioning in today's video are water-based, which is awesome because you guys know that water is the first key of moisturizing your hair, so that is amazing. And before I get started, I want to say thank you again for all the new Love Squad members that subscribe to my channel, and also thank you so much again, loves, for just all the positivity and the support from me on this new healthy hair journey. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys so much. Alright, so starting with the shampoos, you guys. All of the products, most of the products, 4 out of 5 of the products are going to be all Shea Moisture, just to give you a heads up. The 2 shampoos that I'm using are amazing. I've been using these 2 shampoos since the 3rd year of my natural hair journey. And I love these 2 shampoos because they are great as a detox and a clarifier. After a week of having my hair done, after I get in maintenance, I feel like my hair is just like, you know, filled with oils and buildup, and I'm just ready to wash all of that out and make sure my hair gets a nice deep cleanse and make sure it's clarified. So these are my 2 shampoos that I currently use in my relaxed hair journey. I use these every time I wash my hair in my off week. And before I get started and tell you guys what these are, I am going to mention that they both are a mouthful to say, so bear with me, loves, bear with me. Alright, so the first one, like I said, is from Shea Moisture. It is the African Mint and Ginger Detox and Refresh Hair and Scalp Gentle Shampoo. This is a great detox for my hair, and when I use this, my scalp feels so refreshed and tingly, and I just feel like my hair is getting that deep cleanse that it needs. The second shampoo that I'm going to mention, also like I said, is from Shea Moisture. It is the Sacha Inchi Oil Omega 369 Rescue and Repair Clarifying Shampoo. I usually wash with this once first, and then I go in with this Sacha Inchi Oil Omega 369 Rescue and Repair Shampoo. These 2 combined give me a great clarifying deep cleanse that I need after, you know, a week of, like I said, oils and just build up on my relaxed hair. These together work amazingly. Alright, love, so now I'm going to jump into the conditioner. So this specific Shea Moisture conditioner, like I said, is from the Raw Shea Butter line. It's the restorative conditioner with sea kelp and argan oil. I believe this specific line is the first one I ever tried when I went natural, and I've been using it since 2014, and it is amazing, you guys, seriously. But this one is amazing because this one helps out with moisturizing and fortifying damaged and transitioning hair. So I love using this product, one, for the moisturizing benefits, but also for the fact that it helps with damaged hair. No, my hair isn't currently damaged, love, but I realize my hair can utilize all the help it can in order to prevent it from becoming damaged. And my hair is in a weaker state at this time, but my hair is healthy, my hair is moisturized, my hair is flourishing, like I said. So this is actually helping me with that whole process. Okay, moving on to my deep treatment mask, you guys. So from the Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter line as well, I'm using the Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask with sea kelp and argan oil as well. And this specific one helps out with dry and damaged hair also. So both of these 2 products together I use with my Jamaican black castor oil, and I use as a deep conditioner. Like I said, this is amazing. I've been using these 2 since the start of my natural hair journey, and I'm still continuing to use it in my relaxed hair journey, and I feel like my hair feels amazing after using both these products in conjunction with the products I showed you guys in my last product video. And I just feel like my hair is just so moisturized, and it just feels soft, like so soft, and it just feels like my hair is so healthy. And yes, I'm doing a lot of hair care practices that's also keeping my hair healthy, but it's also about what products you put in your hair as well, love. And lastly, guys, the last thing that I still use in my new healthy relaxed hair care journey that I use in my natural hair journey is my homemade oil blend, you guys. I love making my own oil blends. I feel like it's very convenient. I feel like it's cost efficient, you know, just buying a group of oils, and when I run out, just, you know, refill it again. I've been making my own home oil blend since like maybe the 2nd year of my natural hair journey. This specific blend, I believe I made this like maybe, I think I made this maybe a month or two before I actually relax my hair. But I believe this one has olive oil. I believe I put jojoba oil in. I put a couple essential oils, and I think I put tea tree oil, peppermint oil. But yes, this is my homemade oil blend, and I love this. I usually put this on my scalp, and I told you guys I bought the Design Essentials Scalp Moisturizer, and I just use this in conjunction with that. And I usually put this on my scalp, and then I just use the excess that's on my hands, and I just run it through my actual hair strands. Alright, love, so those are the 5 products that I'm still currently using in my new Healthy Relaxed Hair Journey that I was previously using in my natural hair journey. I use those in conjunction with all the new products that I showed you guys that I bought for my Relaxed Hair Journey. I feel like the products that I bought was a great addition to this new hair journey, but at the same time, the products that I bought in the past that I was using in my natural hair journey has awesome benefits, and I'm going to continue using them. Although my hair is, you know, chemically altered and it's in a new state and it's not natural, I feel like those products still, you know, give me great benefits, great results, and they keep my hair moisturized, they keep my hair strong, and it just protects, you know, just from any type of damage. So I'm really happy and I'm excited to share those with you guys, and I'm so excited that I can actually use them and they actually work for me in this new Healthy Relaxed Hair Journey. Alright, love, so that is it. If you guys enjoyed this video, I know it was a quick one, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join my Love Squad. And also, as always, don't forget to hit that notification bell so when I upload, you guys are notified immediately. So until next time, bye Love Squad. I'm in control.